And the next exercise here, we're going to use the mkdir command. We only need one console for this, so here we go. Log in as your regular user, and we're going to make a directory. Make mkdir, that's the command, sum underscore dir. So we're going to make a directory, just going to make a directory called sumdir, basically. Alright, so now that we have our directory, sumdir, we're going to make a directory inside this directory by doing make dir sum dir slash some new directory, so some new there. There we go. So now we have a directory within our sumdir directory called some new directory, or some new dir. Alright, so we're going to verify that the directory is created by typing the following: ls sumdir. There you go. So we do an ls on the sumdir directory to see that underneath that sumdir directory there's a new directory called some new dir. So you can run ls on different directories from your current directory. You just have to path it out. So now we're going to make a directory called training to include a new directory, empty underscore dir, by typing the following: mkdir slash dash p space and slash pty, let's go there. Alright, so now we should have a directory for training and a subdirectory under that called empty underscore dir. So we do ls right here, and we see training right there at the end. And now we're going to ls on the training directory to see we have our empty underscore dir, which is our empty directory. And for now, we're going to view more commands on this. With the help command, and help is your friend. Now some of these directories we will be building on over time. So if you're using a live C DVD, please don't. Make sure we have this installed because we need to save some of this because you'll be building on it. Alright, now we're going to move on to the copy and move command. So in the fresh console window, right at your home directory, we're going to start with, alright, so we'll do an ls to list the directory, and we'll see some file name. So what we're going to do is we're going to rename that to some other file with the move command. So hit mv for move, and then some underscore file name space some underscore other file. And we'll do an ls-l, gives us a long listing. And here we go. Some other file. So it has now been moved to the same directory but with a new name. So that's the way you rename files. Now we're going to copy it, and we're going to copy to some other file by doing cp, which is copy, some other file to some other file 1. I must have put, see, some other file 1. Then we'll do an ls-l again, and now we have a some other file and a some other file 1. So that's how you do the copy command. We can also expand on the ls-l and do some asterisk, and it'll show us just the files that start with SOME, and also a directory, you notice there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy the file 1 to the directory by typing cp some other file 1 tilde some underscore dir, enter. And now we're going to do an ls-l on sumdir, and there's the copied file, some other file 1. Next we're going to move some other file 1 to the training directory by typing mv sumdir some other file 1. Remember, you can tab complete, and then with a space we're going to do training some underscore other file 1. And we can verify that by typing ls dash space dash l on training. And there you go. There's the some other file 1. Alright, moving right along. Next we are going to move and rename that some other file 1 to some other file 2. So we'll do this by going mv training some other file 1 base tilde and some other file 2. Then we can do an ls long listing and see we have some other file 1 and 2 and the one without a number. Alright, next we're going to copy the complete bin directory to the home directory with a new directory that's named sumdir. So let's check out the bin directory. ls/bin, and that's everything in it. So now we are going to type cp for copy. That's r slash bin tilde some there. Oh, forgot my forward slash here. And that should copy it all. So now we're going to do an ls-l on sumder. And you can see that the bin directory is underneath the sumder. Now I can verify what's inside the bin directory by doing ls-l long listing on the bin directory. And there's all the same files. You want to see it the same way it was before? I think we just looked at it with the regular ls command. So it all fits on the same screen there with less info. So you can explore more options with move -- help, just like anything else. Then you can do copy help, cp -- help. And then we'll close this window. All right, one more thing to cap off this video. We're going to do some link files. We're going to create a symbolic link and a hard link with the link command. So from your terminal window, we're going to enter the following to create a symbolic link to the sum file that we have in our home directory. So ln for link, switches -s for symbolic, tilde slash some other file soft link, enter. And now we're going to enter the following to create a hard link for some other file 1. So ln tilde some other file 1 hard link. Now we're going to type ls-l to view the links. And from here you notice that the soft link shows what file it's pointing to, and a hard link does not. So we'll learn more about links later on. I just wanted to throw this in there because I had a little bit of space at the end of this video. Now we do more about links. We can do ln-help to get more switches on that and what it does. All right. Remember, subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of the next, next thing I put up. Thank you.